Natatandaan mo pa ba sa puno ng mangga at sa puno ng gumamela?
Ano ang tawag sa doon sa gwapo, yun hong handsome?
Guwapo? O yung Japanese, kamukha ko.
Kamukha. Eh yun hong pangit.
Kamukha mo.
Parang hindi ata magandang dating sa nakamura. Parang atang iinis niyo ako. Ay,
Maaari ba pakawalan niyo sila? Ako na lang sama niyo.
Talaga kasama ka? Lahat kayo isasama namin. Bakit? Ang akala mo ba, pakakawalan namin ng mga babaeng yan? Magagamit namin ng mga yan. Ang kitid naman ang utak mo eh. Ang hirap sa inyo, mga pulis probinsya. Isip patola!
Yan ang akala mo.
Katulad siguro.
What do you want?
I want to see my uncle. The owner.
I'm the owner.
No, my uncle, the owner.
I'm the owner. I'm Mabel Smith. I'm the owner.
Maybe you're the servant.
Servant, how dare you? I'm the owner. I've owned this house for 3 years.
Wait, steady. Don't move.
What is it you want? I'm taking a
Hey.
bath.
Don't talk. See?
Oh, Louise.
Yes, Luis.
He was a good man.
Hey, good man.
Yeah, he was my gardener.
Gardener?
My gardener.
Where is he? I want to kill him. I'll kill him. Let me inside. I'll kill him.
You're too late. He's already dead.
Dead?
He's been dead for...